hate to say this, but in the context of what had happened, to say we were only up by 3, um, being up by 12 at some point in time. But if against NU, especially over the last 3, 4 years, man, being up by 3 is a luxury. Alam mo yon, like, sometimes you gotta step back and realize na parang, okay, teka lang, we're good. I was never worried during that run. We always say this in basketball, if you guys listen to our podcasts, that leads are there because not just para tambakan, but it's also our cushion, because tao din yun eh. Magkakamali tayo, it's our chance to rotate, move players in and out. And if you notice, when we went up big, Coach Shermil was also moving players in and out already. Napansin niya na napagod na si Canino, pagod na si Lapot, and pagod na si Provido. So they took them a chance, they gave them a chance to go out. And sure, the lead shrunk down. But even if the lead was shrinking down, we were still scoring points here and there. So I don't think I was ever worried. I told myself I would be worried kung tumabla.